Dan untuk itu kerajaan memutuskan untuk melaksanakan Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan mulai 18 Mac 2020 hingga 31 Mac 2020 di seluruh negara.
Hi Anis, have you seen this video Jaja shared just now?
Hi Priya. Yeah, I've seen it. It's really scary. Even today, the cases are still so high.
Oh, but I heard that the Covid-19 Selt Test Kit finally distributed to the public.
Wait, what is that? Hold on, let me search it up real quick. COVID Selt Test Kit. Wow, that's a lot of videos. Let me watch this one.
Hi, I'm Pei from Today Online, and I'm here to demonstrate how to use a COVID-19 home test kit. There will be various test kits available at pharmacies soon, and they come with similar components, a set of instructions, a swab, a buffer solution and a cap, and a test strip. Just a note that instructions may vary between manufacturers. First, I will have to open the test kit, set it on the table, and open the swab packaging. Then you will have to insert the swab about 2 cm into each nostril and twirl for about 10 seconds. Now insert the swab into the tube with the buffer solution. Twirl it for 10 seconds as well and squeeze the tube before removing the swab. And then put on the dropper cap. Drop 4 drips into the test strip. Now you have to wait 15 minutes for the results to show. So it's been 15 minutes. Based on the instruction sheet, my results are negative. 2 lines will show if the result is positive.
So that's how a COVID self-test kit works. I should share this to Priya. Check this video out. I think this COVID test kit will finally slow down the spread of COVID. If people know beforehand whether they have COVID or not, it will be easier for people to know quicker if they should be quarantined.
Wow, it's very interesting.